Welcome to our channel. Are you ready to revolutionize your content creation and productivity game? In today's video, we're uncovering 6 game-changing AI tools you need to know about in 2025. These tools are designed to save time, boost creativity, and make your work more efficient than ever. 1. 2. Google Notebook LM. Overview. Notebook LM helps organize and summarize large amounts of data into concise study guides. It's a perfect tool for students, researchers, and professionals. Summarizes lengthy documents and research papers. Creates easy-to-read study guides. Integrates seamlessly with Google Workspace. 3. HubSpot's 1000 Prompts. HubSpot offers an extensive library of AI-driven marketing and productivity prompts. These templates are tailored for campaigns, social media posts, and email marketing. Access 1,000+ ready-made prompts for multiple use cases. Enhances creativity in marketing strategies. Saves time on brainstorming and ideation. 4. Replicate. Overview that allows pay-per-use access to various AI models and tools. It's perfect for experimenting with new AI technologies without significant upfront costs. Access a wide range of AI tools without installation. Pay only for the resources you use. Great for developers and researchers. 5. Flux LoRa Trainer. Flux LoRa Trainer lets users create custom AI character models for gaming, simulations, and storytelling. Build personalized AI models. Ideal for game developers and storytellers. Enhances creativity and innovation. 6. Spotter Studio. Spotter Studio is an AI brainstorming tool that generates innovative ideas for YouTube content. Provides endless video ideas tailored to your niche. Helps creators overcome creative blocks. Perfect for content creators and marketers. These AI tools are revolutionizing the way we create and work. Try them today to save time and unlock your full potential. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.